Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Trading 212 account. In this walkthrough, we'll follow the exact path inside the Trading 212 web app to close your account, while explaining what to expect on each screen so nothing catches you by surprise. Start by heading to the Trading 212 website and sign into your account if you aren't already. You'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, look toward the top of the page for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click that icon to open the main navigation panel. This is where Trading 212 groups key sections, and it's the quickest way to reach your account controls. In the navigation panel, choose Settings. This area contains preferences and account-related options. Once you're in Settings, select My Account. You're now in the section that holds your personal and account management tools, including details, verification, and closure options. Next, click on Account Details. This page provides an overview of your profile and the status of any accounts you hold within Trading 212. If you have multiple account types, such as Invest or CFD, this is typically where their status and key actions are presented. Here, look for the Close Account option and click it. Before you proceed, it's helpful to know that most platforms require your balance to be zero, with no open positions, pending orders, or unsettled funds. If anything still needs attention, the platform may prompt you to resolve it first. If you need records for your own files, it's a good idea to download your statements or tax documents before confirming closure, as access may be limited afterwards. After selecting Close Account, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Carefully review any on-screen notes, as they may outline what will happen next, such as loss of access and the timeline for final processing. Provide any requested confirmation, and if prompted, select a reason for closing. Then finalize the closure. Once you confirm, you should see an on-screen acknowledgement that your request has been submitted. In many cases, you'll also receive a follow-up notification or email confirming the process. If you don't see the Close Account option or encounter a message about remaining funds or positions, return to your account details to clear those items, then repeat the steps to close. That's it. You've navigated from the dashboard, opened the menu, entered Settings, selected My Account, opened Account Details, chosen Close Account, and confirmed. Thanks for following along, and take a moment to verify you've received the final confirmation so you can be sure the account has been successfully closed.